Hello friends, welcome to the another session of bookkeeping and accountancy, not for profit concern. In this session, I'm going to solve question number 10. Let us read the question first. From the following receipt and payment account of KBP Engineering College, Nashik for the year ending 31st March 2019 and additional information, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. This is the receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Receipt side, opening balance of cash and opening bank balance is given. It will appear in the opening balance sheet. So here we will ignore this part. We will ignore the opening cash balance rupees 18,000 and opening bank balance rupees 1,400,000. It is to be recorded to the opening balance sheet. Since the capital fund is given, opening capital fund is given, there is no need to record opening cash balance and opening bank balance to the opening balance sheet. Next is interest. It is income. Subscription, income side. Life membership fees. Here you can see life membership fees are to be capitalized. So we will add life membership fees to capital fund. Donation, if nothing is given, we will record it to income side. But in adjustment number 1, 50% donations are for building fund and the balance is to be treated as revenue income. So we will add 50% of the donation to building fund and 50% of the donation is to be recorded to income side. Tuition fees, income. Term fees, income. Sundry receipts, income. Admission fees, revenue. If it is revenue, then it is to be recorded as income. Payment side, salaries to teaching staff, expenditure. Electricity charges, expenditure. Books, this is purchase of books. It is to be recorded to asset side. If you observe this, books of rupees 6 lakh are there in the beginning of the year. In addition to this, books of rupees 61,000 were purchased. So we will add 61,000 to the opening amount of books. So we will put a tick to this book so that we will add 61,000 into rupees 6 lakh. Next, furniture, 51,000. This is the purchase of new furniture, additional furniture. In this question, opening furniture is also given, rupees 3,19,000. In this, we will add 51,000. This is the addition made to the furniture. Stationery, expenditure, fixed deposit, asset. Again, fixed deposit is given in the question. Opening fixed deposit is rupees 9,10,000. Addition made to it is 8,50,000. So it will be added to this amount. Closing balance of cash, asset side. Closing balance of bank, asset side. Let us read the additional information. Opening books 6 lakh, closing again 6 lakh. You will think opening value of the book is 6 lakh, then additions were made to the extent of rupees 61,000. So this 61,000 is to be added to the 6 lakh. So it should be 6 lakh and 61,000. But at the end of the year, the value of the book is again 6 lakh. This reduction in the value of book is assumed to be due to the depreciation. So there is adjustment of depreciation on books. Similarly, there is depreciation on furniture, also on building fund. Capital fund opening given 9,47,400. Closing, we have to find out. Adjustment number 1, 50% of the donations are for building fund. So I already discussed this adjustment. Out of this donation, 50% is to be added to building fund and rest 50% is to be treated as income. Outstanding subscription 5,300. Put a tick to subscription. In this we will add 5,300 as outstanding. Life membership fees are capitalized. This is the information only, not an adjustment. Let us post all the items one by one. Opening cash balance and opening bank balance is to be ignored. Interest is income. We will record it to income side. By interest, amount rupees 55,000. Next item, subscription 28,300. There is one adjustment on subscription. Subscription 28,300. We will leave one line for adjustment because there is adjustment. Adjustment number 2, outstanding subscription rupees 5,300. So leave one line for adjustment. Life membership fees are to be capitalized. So we will add it to capital fund. Capital fund, add life membership fees. Amount is 25,000. Next item, donation 7 lakh. Income side. By donation only 50%. 3 lakh and 50,000. And rest 50% is to be added to capital fund. Added to building fund. Fund in which we will add donation. Only 50% part of the donation is to be added. 2 lakh and 50,000. Next item, tuition fees income by tuition fees 12 lakh 30,000. Term fees again income by term fees. Amount is 200,800. Sundry receipt income amount is rupees 8,000. Admission fees revenue income amount is 60,000. First payment is salaries to teaching staff, to salaries to teaching staff, amount rupees 11,70,000. Next, electricity charges. Electricity charges amount is 55,000. Books. Books is an asset. So we'll add it to the asset side. We'll write books in bracket opening balance. We'll leave it blank for the time being. Then we will add purchases. Addition or purchase. Purchase of books rupees 61,000. Next is furniture. We will leave 2 lines. Then we write furniture. This is the opening amount of furniture given in the question. balance of furniture and addition made is of rupees 51,000 and purchase of furniture 51,000. Next item is stationery expenditure. To stationery amount rupees 21,850. Fixed deposit purchase 8,50,000. Asset side fixed deposit. This is the opening fixed deposit given in the question and addition made amount rupees 8,50,000. Closing cash in hand amount rupees 16,650 and cash at bank amount rupees 2 lakh. Total is 2,16,650. Additional information: opening books 6 lakh. It is to be appeared in the opening balance sheet. As opening capital fund is given, no need to prepare opening balance sheet. So last year's fixed asset are to be transferred to current year. So we will transfer 6 lakh from the last year to current year. So these books will be carried forward to next year. So in this year, the opening books will be rupees 6 lakh. Total value of books is now 6 lakh and 61,000. If you see, the closing value of books at the end of 31st March 2019, that is at the end of this financial year, it's 6 lakh. So to the outer column, it should be 6 lakh. So you can see there is difference in the value of these two books, opening as well as addition. Total is 6,61,000 and the closing value is 6 lakh. So this reduction is assumed to be because of depreciation. So we will record as less depreciation, which is equal to rupees 61,000. See, anywhere in the question, no information is given on depreciation. We have to assume this difference is because of depreciation and we will deduct it from the total cost. And the second effect, we will record to expenditure side. To depreciation on books. Amount is 61,000. Next, furniture. Opening value of furniture is 3,19,000. We will record to balance sheet asset side 3,19,000. So total is 3,19,000 plus 51,000 is equal to 3,70,000. And the closing value of furniture is 3 lakh given in the question. So we will directly record rupees 3 lakh to the outer column. Again, this difference is assumed to be because of depreciation. We will record as less depreciation. And the difference is of rupees 70,000. Second effect of 70,000 will be recorded to income and expenditure account, expenditure side, furniture with 71,000. So the total value of depreciation is 1,32,000. Depreciation on books and depreciation on furniture. Next item given in the question is building fund. Building fund opening value is 10 lakh. We will record the balance sheet liability side 10 lakh and 3,50,000 transferred from donation. Total building fund is now 13 lakh and 50,000. Closing, you are supposed to find out, and this is the closing value of building fund 13 lakh 50,000. Opening 10, add transfer during the year from donation 3,50,000. Total closing value is now 13 lakh and 50,000. This is the question mark, and you are supposed to find out this. It is equal to 13 lakh and 50,000. Similarly, opening value of fixed deposit is 9 lakh 10,000. So we'll record the balance sheet asset side as 9 lakh 10,000. And during the year, we purchase additional fixed deposit of rupees 8 lakh and 50,000. So we'll add these two. So closing value of fixed deposit is 17 lakh and 60,000. This question mark is again solved. Capital fund opening 9,47,400. 400 will record to balance sheet liability side. The subtotal is now 9,72,400 after adding the life membership fees of rupees 25,000. Adjustment number 1, 50% of the donations are for building fund. This is already solved. Outstanding subscription rupees 5,300. We will add to subscription, add outstanding rupees 3,500, 5,300. So to the outer column, total amount of subscription is 33,600. Second effect for outstanding income will go to balance sheet asset side. Outstanding subscription rupees 5,300. Next item, life membership fees are to be capitalized. It is already solved. Let us now calculate surplus or deficit. Credit side total is 19,37,400. By mistake in furniture, I recorded 71,000. It is not 71,000, it is 70,000. 70,000. So I will make correction over here. 70,000. Debit side total is 13,77,850. So there is surplus as there is a credit balance. and there is surplus of rupees 5,59,550. 2. Surplus transferred to capital fund. We will add this amount to capital fund. Add surplus 5,59,550. So closing capital fund is now 15,31,950. This is the question mark, and this is the solution for this. Let's total both the sides of balance sheet. Asset side total is 28,81,950. And the liability side total is also 28,81,950. Now I want you to solve this question again and solve two similar type of questions on your own. For practice, you may ask me. I will send you the question back. Thank you.